In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Coinbase One subscription. Start by signing into your Coinbase account. From the dashboard, click your profile icon, then select Coinbase One. Next, click Join Coinbase One or Start Free Trial if a trial is available for your account. After that, review the membership benefits, including reduced trading fees, enhanced account protection, and other features available in your region. Now choose your billing plan if you're given more than one option, such as a monthly or annual subscription. Next, add or select your payment method. If you don't already have one on file, follow the prompts to add a debit card, credit card, or another supported payment method. After that, review the subscription details, including the billing amount, renewal date, and terms. Now click Subscribe or Start Membership to activate Coinbase One. Finally, return to your account and open the Coinbase One section to confirm that your subscription is active and that your membership benefits are available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Coinbase One subscription. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.